What is piercing the corporate veil? Have you ever wondered what happens when the protection of a business structure is put to the test? Today, we are discussing a legal concept known as piercing the corporate veil. This term refers to a situation where a court decides to disregard the separate legal identity of a corporation or limited liability company and holds its owners or members personally responsible for the company's debts or wrongful actions. Normally, these business structures provide a shield for personal assets, but there are circumstances where that shield can be pierced. In the realm of real estate investing, understanding this concept is essential, especially when structuring limited liability companies to hold investment properties. Many real estate investors utilize limited liability companies to safeguard their personal assets from liabilities associated with their properties. However, if these companies are not properly maintained or are misused, courts may choose to pierce the veil. Courts typically only consider piercing the corporate veil in serious cases of misconduct. Common reasons for this include fraud or wrongful conduct, where owners use the company to commit illegal acts. Another reason is commingling of assets, which occurs when personal and business funds are mixed, making it hard to distinguish between the individual and the company. Undercapitalization is another factor, where a company is started without enough capital to meet its liabilities, suggesting it was created to avoid debts. Lastly, failure to follow corporate formalities, such as not keeping proper records, can lead to this situation. When the veil is pierced, creditors can pursue the personal assets of the owners, such as homes or bank accounts, to satisfy business debts or claims. In real estate investing, this often comes up in disputes involving property development or investment partnerships. For instance, if an investor uses a limited liability company merely as a shell to avoid liability without maintaining its separate identity, a court may hold that investor personally accountable for debts or legal claims related to the property. To prevent piercing the veil in real estate investment limited liability companies, investors should take specific steps. First, maintain a clear separation between personal and business finances. Second, adequately capitalize the limited liability company at its formation. Third, follow all required corporate formalities and keep thorough records. Lastly, ensure the limited liability company is used for legitimate business purposes rather than personal dealings. Understanding piercing the corporate veil is vital for real estate investors. By properly structuring and managing their investment entities, they can protect their personal assets and ensure that their business remains a distinct legal entity. This knowledge helps investors navigate the complexities of real estate investing while safeguarding their financial future.